Okay, so Mr. Ochoa, I'm going to teach you how to play a game called sevens. So we're going to count to 7, and the first time we do, we're going to use one thing that we do, which is patting our legs. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you do that with me?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, good job. The second set of sevens uses 2 motions. It uses a pat and a clap.
Okay.
So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you do it with me?
Ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Now the trouble that most students have when they do this is that when they do the first set of 7, they think that when they start over with the second set, they should go to a clap. But you always have to start the number 1 with patting your legs.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the third set. The third set uses 3 things. It uses a pat, a clap, and a snap. And when you get moving, it sort of looks like a circle, like this with your hands. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You want to try it with me?
Ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now remember to start again by patting your legs.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Now before we go to the fourth set, let's try putting those sets together back to back.
Okay.
We'll do 2 sets of 1s,
Okay.
2 sets of 2s, and 2 sets of 3s.
Okay.
Okay? Let's try it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go to 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go to 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the last set is the trickiest, and here's how we break it down. It uses 4 different things, but again, we're still counting to 7. So first, can you say pat, cross, pat?
Pat, cross, pat.
Very good. Now you're going to say clap, snap, clap,
Clap, snap, clap.
and end with a pat.
Pat.
So we still have a pat, a clap, and a snap, but we've added a cross in there somewhere. So it'll go like this. Pat, cross, pat, clap, snap, clap, pat. Or if you don't want to say it, sometimes it's easier to just watch. 5, 6, 7. You want to try it with me?
Okay.
1,
cross,
2,
pat,
pat, clap, snap, clap, pat. And now say the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's do it again because that's the hardest one.
1, 2.
You memorize it. 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So when you play the game sevens, you start at the beginning with 1s. You go to 2s, 3s, and then finally to that last level where you have 4 things, but then you have to back your way out. 3s, 2s, 1s.
Okay.
All right. We're at a relatively slow speed right now, but let's work through the whole game.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start with 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1,
2, 3, 4,
5. Now go to 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to do the crisscross. Pat, cross, pat, clap, snap, clap. That's it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go back to 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now go to 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then in with ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, the idea is to be able to do this game at a much faster tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. And then once kids are good at it, then they can do it in a round. One group starts with ones, and as they move to twos, another group starts with ones.
Okay.
So like if I started 4, 5, 6, and I'll go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you start with ones.
1, 2, 3,
5, 6. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you go to twos, and I'll be on threes. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you go to threes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you go to fours,
1, 2,
and I'm on threes.
5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you go to threes.
1, 2,
on
3,
twos.
4, 5,
6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You go to twos.
1,
I'm on
3,
ones.
4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
And then
6,
you're on
7.
ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And ideally, it should be something they do quickly. Yep. That's it.
All
All
right.
right. Good job.
Are y'all done?
Yep.